This is the tastiest chicken breast I've ever eaten. I'll start by putting a tablespoon of butter in a pan. Let's stir until it melts, and add olive oil. And also 5 chicken breasts. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Corinne Gordon from Ohio. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Let's season with a teaspoon of salt. And also with black pepper to taste. I'm sure you've never made a recipe like this before. When you reach this point, we will turn the chicken to fry equally on both sides. Do it at your house and then come back here to tell me what you think. Again, I will season with a teaspoon of salt and black pepper to taste. After I started making chicken like this, I never wanted to eat otherwise. When you get to this point, we can take it out of the pot. Now I'll cut half an onion, first in long slices and then in small cubes. We'll also cut half a green bell pepper. This way I'm doing it. Finally, I will cut half yellow pepper. I'm sure you'll get into your routine just as you got into mine. I'll put the vegetables we cut to fry inside the pan that we prepared the chicken previously. And with the help of a spatula, I will stir until you get to this point. Now let's add 300 grams of tomato sauce. And again mix well. Next, I will add a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and also a teaspoon of thyme. I'll add 100 milliliters of water, and once again stir well. Finally, I'll put the chicken breast that we fried inside the pan. Tell me your favorite chicken recipe. Let's cover and let it cook. Now I'll add mozzarella to taste over the chicken. I'll cover and let it cook for 10 minutes. After that time, we will add parsley to taste. With a few everyday ingredients, we can make an incredibly delicious chicken. Look how beautiful he looks. And our recipe was already ready. Look what delight was. I'm sure even your friends will ask you to teach, as tasty as it gets. I speak often in my own home, and when I do, there's nothing left. It is impossible to eat only one piece. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.